What does success look like to you? What does it feel like to you? For me, success is achieving my goals and doing what I said I was going to do when I said I was going to do it. That's success. Now, you know what happened to me? Every top of the year, I was creating objectives and New Year's resolutions, only to find out that at the end of the year, I was not hitting my goals. And that was frustrating. It made me feel bad. It made me stop, and I felt overwhelmed. And then I did even less the following quarter or year. Has that ever happened to you? Are you sick of resolutions and objectives that never go anywhere? Well, I want to invite you to do what I did. In my book, It's Time to Soar, I talk about visible and invisible snags where sometimes you just get tripped up and you get in a cycle. I was getting tripped up, and I used my own proprietary program on myself. It's the SOAR proprietary framework. When I had to identify, where am I? And then I had to look at my obstacles. Why am I tripping? And then it made an actionable plan. And then I was able to get the results I was looking for. And not only did I get the results, they're repeatable. Is that something that's interesting to you? Is that something you want to do? Are you sick and tired of failing and feeling like a failure? Let's get those good ideas out there. I want to invite you to meet me January 11th, 2025. 2025 is going to be an incredible year for you. Meet me January 11th, where we expand on the SOAR book and we go into a SOAR workshop where you will leave feeling better about yourself, feeling empowered to do what you're going to do, and then have a strategy to actually overcome those snags and get the results that you've been looking for. Listen, it's time to soar. Meet me there.